Have you ever wondered why we find it challenging to learn from our mistakes? Join us as we explore this common struggle and its underlying reasons. Reason number 1, fear of failure. One reason is the fear of failure. When we make a mistake, we often associate it with negative outcomes, which creates a fear of repeating the same error. Reason number 2, denial and self-preservation. Denial and self-preservation also play a role. It is difficult to admit our mistakes as it may damage our self-esteem and lead to consequences. We tend to downplay errors and blame others instead to avoid these consequences. Reason number 3, lack of reflection. Our fast-paced lives leaves little time for reflection. We are constantly on the go, rarely pausing to analyze our mistakes and actions. Without reflection, we miss the opportunity to learn and grow. Reason number 4, habitual patterns. Humans are creatures of habit. If we do not consciously break down the patterns that led to our mistakes, we will keep repeating them. Breaking these patterns requires awareness and a willingness to change. Reason number 5, lack of accountability. Accountability is crucial for learning from mistakes. When we refuse to take responsibility, we avoid the introspection necessary for growth and development. Accepting accountability empowers us to make better choices in the future. Reason number 6, overconfidence and hubris. Overconfidence and hubris can blind us to our mistakes. When we believe we are infallible, we become complacent and overlook warning signs. Humility is key to recognizing and learning from errors, so we can do better in the future. Reason number 7, the power of learning. Despite the challenges, learning from mistakes is a powerful tool for personal growth and development. By acknowledging errors, embracing accountability, and reflecting on experiences, we can turn mistakes into valuable lessons that will give us a brighter future. As we end this video, let's always remember, the path to wisdom is paved with lessons from our mistakes. By recognizing our fallibility and learning from them, we can create a brighter future. Thank you for watching this video, and do not forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section below. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.